Hello, I'm going to tell you how to create new projects on iMovie. So first things first, you're going to want to go into iMovie. You're going to click on iMovie and it opens up just like that. All right, now here is the deal. iMovie is always going to open up the last project that you just create that was just being worked on. So if you're in third period, it's going to open up second period's project. If you're in second period, it's going to open up first period's project. If you are in first period, it's going to open up seventh period's project from yesterday. So always be very, very clear about which project you're working in by checking right here at the top whose name is up there. So if you open it up and you see that it's opened up to somebody else's project and somebody else's work, that's okay. Even if you've clicked on your name over here, that's okay. Be like, this is not my project. Okay. So here's how to find your project. You're going to go up here to the left-hand corner and click on projects. All right. It's going to ask me to name this project, and I'm going to go ahead and name it this project. So right now you have all of you have all of the projects that have been created on iMovie because it's under all projects. You can click on the 5 most recent projects, the 20 most recent, or you can go to specific libraries. Now, what I'm going to recommend is that you always go to the library where you can create your project so that way your project will stay in that library. So if you're in first period, you go to the first period library, second period library, and so on and so forth. You're going to click create new project, and it's going to ask you, do you want to create a movie or a trailer? Now, this is the question. These are two very different things. If you are creating a movie, and it's going to go into the first period library. You say yes, okay. What you want to do is you're going to make sure that it comes up and you can have your project right here ready to go. You see, it's called My Movie. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start importing media into that movie, and I can start dragging and dropping and building everything from scratch. Okay, now let's say, for example, I'm going to call it My Movie. Let's say I wanted to create a trailer. What's going to happen is you're going to click on trailer. Still, it wants to go into the first period library. And then you're going to choose what kind of trailer you're going to pick. All right, that's when you have the adrenaline trailer, the adventure. You can click on this tiny little play button in the center to preview it to see what will happen, and it'll give you a good idea of what you'll be working with. And then you can start, if you decide you want to do the documentary trailer after previewing it, it's going to take a minute to load, and it's creating the trailer for you. And then you have everything you need. You're still going to have to import your own media into it, but you have your storyboard, you have your shot list, and you have your outline, and you can change the name of everything. Once you're done working on your trailer for the day, you click on projects and then you give it a name. You give it your name, and then you have it right here in your library. You have the movie and the trailer. Okay? Click on the next video to see how to import.